the famous Rita and Bob Marley.
This is what happens before it all goes down. Watch until the end.
Can't get over your body, move up in your mind.
Hey guys, I'm still at the spa. I had 6,000 viewers and y'all just trying to shut me down. But let's start over here and chat because it's me saying we keep on sharing the live that they can come and see those up.
After a long day enjoying the spa while on live, it seems that Rita, aka Brit, didn't came with any money.
How many soap you have?
One soap. I'm gonna pay for the soap now. Oh, let's all pay some.
For the facial, the massage, and the soap.
What's the cost? 14,500 plus 11, 26,500. Why don't you guys get like a cashier? The cashier will pull out the stuff with. Why don't you get that?
Paying cash or card?
Oh, my Collins zone. No, the boss is speaking with him, so I don't worry about anything. One of my friends was turning on me, but it's tomorrow. So if you pay it now, I'm gonna give it back in the morning. Okay? Now this is the part where my husband saves the day.
Please answer.
No, you can't disrespect the live. You're also on bread, so. You know no style. You know no style, not true? Everything people that might kill is people. You feel like you say they don't find time for all you. Where are you going?
Here is another point of view.
I'm gonna pay the bill, don't worry.
At this point forward, it turns out in a big dispute, Zozo aka Bob Marley got mad at Brit aka Rita because she told him before the spa day that she would pay for them to get massage and facial. It even led to the owner of the spa getting mad because this situation brings shame and disgrace to her business. Here's is the aftermath of everything.
Our cloud. Brittany used our phone yesterday. Brittany used her girl's phone yesterday.
No, I use her phone. She loaned me her phone.
She loaned you your phone?
She
and you give her views. You give her views and she beat people. I'm going to tell you no I go on no people. No man, don't Brittany, don't tell me nothing, Brittany.
Don't fuck yourself.
Don't tell me don't fuck no self. Don't tell me that.
Generous and
Generous your bumbo clot, don't be ungrateful.
Don't fuck your blood clot.
Don't tell me blood clot nothing, man.
Don't call
Papa,
his name.
yeah,
If you're not a good ball is, don't call his name.
Who's blood clot, Liz? Liz can go suck all in mama too. Papa, you see yesterday? You see what the girl go on with them my place? A dog shit. If Brit never have no eye, if I didn't come up with some money, that a girl call police for Brit. You see, if me and David name pop up yesterday, that a girl call police for Brit. Cause yesterday before me go in our place, hear the girl. Yesterday me go in our place. Oh, come hurry up and get your massage. Come hurry up and get your massage. I'm ask the lady more than 10 times. Do a Brit show you no money. Do a Brit show you money. Before me go in your place. Oh, yes, oh, Ray. You all about the blood clot money, woman. Go suck your mama. Oh, you all about the blood clot. Yeah. Brit alone can't go turn up in this warrior. Brit alone can't go turn up to this fight, yeah. Brit give the girl clout. And if you hear the girl go on, listen me. The woman wasn't looking at any clout. Business in blood clot. Business in blood clot. I you don't know what you do for me yesterday. I you don't know what you do for me yesterday. Brit, listen now, Brit. Listen now, Brit. Listen now, Brit. You think a blood clot free? Look on the facial I'm going to do. I'm going to squeeze blackhead up to last night.
Look on your face.
Look on my blood clot face. I'm going to squeeze blackhead. Hey, Brit, don't get me mad in the morning, you know. Because you're not madder than me, you know. You don't madder than me, you know, B. So don't bother with that excitement. I will. Because I talk truth and you don't want me talk. You don't want me talk.
Look here, me not come so far for this, you know.
You not come so far for this, man. You don't want me talk the truth. You don't want me talk, people. Brit don't want me talk the truth, people. I'm not this her, you know. People, me not this her. I'm not disrespecting Brit. But Brit don't want me talk the truth. Brit don't want me to talk the truth. Alright, I'm gonna stop. But me I tell us, Brit don't want me to talk the truth. The woman don't rate him. The woman don't rate blood clot Brit. I ain't go for do no, me just go for pay the bill. I bill me go for pay for. Cause me know say that she ain't go do. Me go for go directly pay the bill. Me ain't go for no spar me drug. Me not go for no spar nothing like that, man. Me go for pay the bill. And the argument done. You know them with the wrangler? Yeah. No go for no bag of chattings with nobody or whatsoever. How are you? Think my friend for bumbuck like massage. Friend for none of them thing there. I told me know say Brit ain't go fuck up. And me now go make him fuck up them way there. Make him fuck up a way when I'm not around. But me now go know say me there around town and he call me and tell me say, Ray, I'm gonna go link him. Words like how me there in my religion. Yeah bro, me know say she wrong, you know. You understand? But here what they go on right that's now with me. Say me only go there for just ease off some pressure off him. The whole of we are human. A pressure me go to ease off him look a bit. The whole of we bleed blood. We are human being. You get what I say? So me now go on like me no know say how. I see him feel it too over there now. I see him feel it too over there now. So why fuck me go know say how she did at a spot? I don't want to risk her and can't risk her. As much as how Ray and I like me don't have it when me couldn't do it. I do it bro, a simple one too that man, a regular day that man. I remember say a whole heap of time me dey a spot and can't move and a stranger help me, you know. All the time I need that stuff, you know, I feel say, yo, my family would help me, you know. And a stranger do it, you know. You get what I say? Yeah. Simple one too that. Me no worry what Brit want do or if Brit a scammer or Brit want. Just easy. David pay. It was David money, but me send back David the money in my account. So why whole big deal? Me go figure directly pay the bill. Me go figure directly pay the bill.